Sure, the Super Bowl is about the game. Sure, let's admit it. For most of us, we're here for the food. And my next guest is serving up pizza at her watch party. Suzy Bunker is here to share her tasty and easy Super Bowl menu. Great to see you.
So good to see you.
This looks fantastic, and I love the idea of kind of a build your own. So it becomes an activity and a meal.
Exactly. It's all about gathering, right? And for us, it is about the food. Yeah. I mean, we like football, but come on.
Yeah.
So this is great for football or for any night, right? Pizza's great on any night. So, and I am obsessed with these new pizza crusts, and I can't wait to tell you about them.
Well, we love a good girlfriend-to-girlfriend recommendation, and this is what is going to make this so doable and stress-free. Tell us about this new product.
Okay, so it's a local company, which makes me even happier, right? But they long ferment their dough. So smell this, like
I can smell it from here. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's fermented over a couple days, and so that helps pre-digest the fiber, so it's easier to digest.
Are you trying to make pizza healthy for us right now?
You know, I always put a healthy twist on.
Okay.
How is it not healthy? Look at all these delicious things. Come on.
So it's par-baked.
So it's par-baked, so it only takes 5 to 7 minutes once you get it in the oven, and it makes anybody feel like they're in Italy. Like, you will be a pizza pro. Look at those pizzas. Like, they're perfectly crispy on the bottom, but they're soft and fluffy in the middle.
Well, so I'm just planting a seed. You've got 2 big events this weekend to choose from. This could also be part of your Olympic party.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Oh, totally.
I mean, kind of Americanized pizza, but the crust will almost get you there.
Right? It can even just be a Friday night thing. I'm such a big believer in gathering, so let's go ahead and make our football. I'm going to show you.
You've sauced it, you've cheesed it.
Yeah, sauced it and cheesed it, and we're just going to make a cute little football out of pepperoni, because you're always going to have people there who want pepperoni,
and the
right?
crust kind of already comes in that shape for you.
Isn't that fun?
Perfect.
They do have some little round ones too, but this is kind of the main crust, and then we're going to make it into a football by using some string cheese.
Suzy.
So a little bit of basic string cheese.
Oh, for the laces.
Yeah. We're just going to throw those on there.
They had a big party, I think, over the last couple of days, and they were showing how they make the footballs, and I guess the lacing is harder than you think.
Oh, really?
To get it
Ours isn't.
No,
just cut up string cheese.
That is so cute. Bake it just like that.
Yes, we're going to make that and be done. So your options are endless, but I'm going to show you 2 more, because you know me, I like lots of flavor. So this is going to be like a margarita pizza, but I'm using some tomato sauce instead of the tomatoes, because my family likes sauce better.
Okay.
And then I just dollop some pesto on there, and then you'll just take these little mozzarella balls and put that on there. So super easy. You can get these at any grocery store too. Oh, and you can find the pizza crusts at Harmon's, Macy's, Dick's, like some local stores, fresh
personalized,
markets.
Ready for just individual eating. I love
So once you bake that, I'm a big balsamic glaze fan. So once it's baked, I'm going to add some balsamic glaze and some fresh basil.
I've never tried balsamic on pizza. Do you like? I know. I'm a wimp.
You need, really?
I think, but I might like it.
You want to try it right now? I think you should.
Well, now I have to.
Try this one right here. So that's the pesto margarita. So it's just, do you like pesto?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's just the pesto, the cheese.
A brave bite.
Yeah. and the mozzarella on there. So it adds a little bit of sweetness with all that savory.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
You like it?
Really flavorful.
Yes.
There's a lot going on.
Yes.
In the best of ways.
Yes.
Okay,
yes,
I did
so
it.
fun. Okay, I'm so proud of you.
Food challenge accepted. That's good, Suzy. That's really good.
Okay, good. And this last one, this is taking it a little bit more gourmet. At the Doughbird in Arizona, it's a famous restaurant. It's so good. And they have a pizza like this. And it has ricotta cheese just with some herbs in it. And then we're going to add a little bit of goat cheese. So I know that's kind of different for some people, but I love goat cheese. It's a little bit sour. She stopped short of saying
controversial, but I love it too.
Yes. So fun. And then we're also going to add some prosciutto. So
fun.
We're just going to throw a couple little prosciutto balls on there, and then we're going to add dates for sweetness.
Okay, right here.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, those are olives.
Where are we?
Right
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Dates, and then we're gonna bake that up, and you're gonna finish it with some arugula and some honey.
Ooh,
like,
sister.
So many fun flavors going on. So you can see the finished product right over here. This one has the pistachios right here and the arugula on there. And so you've got a lot of sweet and savory and crunchy and everything going on.
This is gourmet. We have the ham and pineapple. What's going on here? Peppers,
just
pepperoni, kind of a supreme.
You can make whatever you want.
I love this idea. Thanks for planting all of the ideas to make this not only fun but easy with this par-baked dough. Where can we get more fun recipe ideas from you?
Cook Healthy with Suzy on Instagram or Facebook.
Okay.
LearnToCookHealthy.com.
You have classes that you offer.
Yes.
recipes.
Yep, classes and all sorts of recipes there.
I'm going in for bite two.
She's going for bite two.
I really like it. It surprised me and I love it.
Isn't that crust so good?
Yes. All right, thank you. Cheers to this for the opening ceremony, the Super Bowl. We've got you covered with a pizza party that will impress, and of course we'll link you over to Suzy's website from ours.